Yes, this endorsement by my other contestant in other political party today have shown that the people of Kogi State were united.
Please look at the camera, sir.
Yes, sir. The camera is there.
That we are united in ensuring that our state gets a better deal. And what they have shown to me is a show of patriotism and commitment to a better Kogi State. And I'm grateful to them.
Now you're going to the race where an incumbent also has a candidate that is different from you. Does that pose any threat to you?
Our movement is organic. And any movement that's organic is all about the people. And you have seen there are several states where incumbents lost election woefully. This is because the people have said no to them. And from all we've gotten from the state, it is resolved by our people that they are tired of the current arrangement that we have.
Kogi State, unfortunately, is known for political violence recently. We will have the records. And recently, your party tested it, even though the election have not started. Your SDP party was attacked.
Yes.
Is the fear of violence not one of the major concerns in this race?
No. We have thrown ourselves off for leadership. And when you throw yourself off for leadership, you have nothing to fear. We are ready to confront them in a lawful way as allowed by the law. And the law permits us to go into this race, and we shall face them.
Sir, please tell us what you're going to do different from what the Kogi State governor has been doing. We've had a lot of, challenges of insecurity, bad governance and all. What are you bringing differently on the table?
First of all, I'm coming with sincerity. For you to lead the people, you must be sincere to the people. What we have in the state today is lack of that sincerity. And what do I mean by that? Nigeria has a lot of problems, and Kogi State is not an exception. One of our major problems in the state today is the issue of infrastructure. 99% of our roads are bad.
Look at the cameras.
The hospitals are bad. The schools are in bad shape. Virtually everything that has to do with governance is in bad state. And we are coming to remedy the situation with the support of our people. That is what we try to do differently.
Thank you, sir.